5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 6 right over small crest, into 5 left long, 100. And right over small crest bump, down to a 3 right, 40, 3 right 40, and 6 right long, and a 4 left long, into 2 right tightens, into 2 right tightens, and a 2 left long tightens, 40 to a 6 right, 2 left long tightens is 40 to a 6 right, 100, to a double caution, 2 left slow in, tightens to hairpin left, all outside, tightens to hairpin left, all outside, and a hairpin right, logs inside, and a 4 right long, 4 right long, 40, to turn hairpin left, 5 right and a 3 left, 40, to a 4 left over small crest, and a 5 right, 100, 5 right 100, to a hairpin right, 5 left continues for 80, into 5 right, 60, to a 6 right plus, mid a small crest to a 2 left, tightens, don't cut, and a 3 right, and another 2 left, 3 right, 2 left, 40, 3 right long, 3 left long, sorry, and a turn hairpin right, 130, 2 left, and a 6 left, 2 left and a 6 left, 40, to a 4 left over crest bump, 60 down to hairpin left, hairpin left long there, 2 right long, and a 6 right over crest, bucket analysis rough, 6 right over crest, 3 left, 80, small crest and a hairpin right, small crest, hairpin right, 170, hairpin right, 170, 4 left, all inside, 150, and a 3 right, narrows over small crest, tightens, 40, 5 left long and a 6 right, 60 to a square left here, long deceptive, 5 right long, banging like fucking it, 60, 6 left over bump, 80, 6 right over small crest, 40, to a 5 left, continues for 100, tightens to a 2, bastard, and a 2 right, and a 3 left, and a 2 left and a hairpin right, 2 left, hairpin right, and a 2 left opens, 60 to a turn hairpin left, fucking hell, hairpin left, 3 right, and a 3 left stump inside, and a 6 left long, and a 6 right, mid a crest, 5 right flat, 100, 5 right, 100, to 6 right, 80 to turn hairpin right, turn hairpin right, 130, oh, not dust, man. Mid a crest, 200, you sound louder to you or what?
Yeah.
6 left over crest bump, 150, go on, 150, right, 150. And a 6 left long, 150. 150. Small crest, 3 left falls away. Small crest, 3 left falls away. And a 4 left long. 4 left long. And 6 right over small crest, 40. To a 5 left over crest, don't cut. 40 down to a 5 right. 5 right, 40. To a 4 right half long. 2 right left and a 2 right, slow in for hairpin right. Hairpin right tightens, 40. Square left, don't cut over small crest, 40. 2 left long, don't cut, tightens, 80. 6 right over crest, 100. Made a big jump, keep it flat. Made a big jump, keep it flat, 150. 5 right long, slow into hairpin right. Hairpin right. 60. 4 left, continues for 100. Tightens to a 2 left. Tightens to a 2 left, 60. 6 left, 60 again. Small crest to a 3 left long and a 4 right. 3 left long, 4 right, 200. 4 right, 200. Small jump and a 5 right, 4 left, slow into a turn hairpin right. 5 right, you have 4 left, slow into turn hairpin right. Drop outside. 40, 3 left, don't cut, 40 again to a square right. Square right, don't cut. 250. 3 right over crest. 60 to another 3 right. 3 right over crest, 60. 3 right again. 3 right, 100. 5 left, continues for 80. Tightens to a 2, don't cut over crest. Down to a 5 right. 5 right, 40. 5 right again. And a 6 left over crest, 130. Come on. 6 left, 130. Another 6 left over crest. And a 4 right half long, all inside, into 6 left over crest. 6 left, 40. 6 right, 80. To a 6 right again, long, 130. Keep it down, 130. Come on. Down to a 3 right half long, tightens, 130. 2 left, 150. 6 left plus, 80. To a 3 left, tightens. 6 left, 80 to a 3. 5 right, continues for 100, tightens. 60 down to a 4. 40 to a 5 left. To the 4 beer. 40 to a 5 left long. 40 again to a 4 left past the act, 100. 100 to a turn hairpin left, tightens. Hairpin left, tightens. 80. 80. Turn hairpin right long, round the barriers, tight. Hairpin right, round the barrier. 3 left and a 5 right. 150. To turn hairpin left, tightens, 200. Hairpin left, tightens, 200. Right and a 2 left, don't cut. 4 right, 2 left, don't cut, 130. 5 right, 40. To a 6 left, continues for 100, into 3 left. Into 3, 4 right, 40. That's it, come on. 40 to a 6 left, long, 40 again. To a 3 right, 60, to a 2 right. 2 right here, 40. continues for 130, tightens to a 4 right, 40, and a 6 left, oh fuck, 6 left, 100, slight left, and a 4 right over finish. Slight left, there's a finish here, 4 right. 200 after. Good stage, man. Oh, fuck. Fucking beam.
I think it's better if you go faster.